Hey, it's Scott Young here. If you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on an easy work from home side hustle. Before I dive into showing you this super easy work from home idea, I want to let you know about my #1 recommendation for making money online right now. I'm going to drop a link below this video in the description and you can check it out. All right, I've tried a lot of side hustles, a lot of gig jobs, as I've started this online career, and I've done things like drop shipping and surveys and e-commerce websites, and these will make you some money, but the profit margins are often so small, or you have to do a ton of volume to even make it worth it. I mean, if you're making only like $2 to $3 on every drop shipping product that you sell, for example, you're gonna have to sell like 2,000 products every single month to earn a six-figure income as a drop shipper, and that just was not worth it. But I want to introduce you to a work from home side hustle that is absolutely the best choice in today's environment. And that side hustle is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply the idea of connecting a customer or a person who has a need or a problem to a product that is going to solve that customer's need or problem. And an affiliate marketer is just bringing those two people together, the customer and the company that has a product, to solve their need. And each time one of your leads or customers takes your recommendation for a product that's going to solve their problem, you earn a commission. So there's really nothing to worry about with inventories or customer service or anything like that, because you're simply connecting these two people together, and the company that has the product does all the customer service, and your customer is simply taking your recommendation to buy the product. You can start to promote your affiliate products for free on social media, and there you could generate free traffic by creating valuable content that people like. And if you're doing it the right way, you could be earning $1,000 commission per sale. So rather than like in the drop shipping model, like I told you about before, where you have to sell, 1,000 or 2,000 a month, if you're selling a high ticket affiliate product, you only need to sell 8 to 10 per month before you start making a six-figure income. Again, with affiliate marketing, you're doing this simply by recommending products to people who have a need, and you're recommending a product to help them solve the need that they have. So it's really just people helping people, and you earn a commission for doing that. For example, let's say you're in the weight loss niche and you have a passion about weight loss and you want to help people lose weight. And so you're going to start creating content around that niche that's going to help people start to lose weight. And you're going to teach several things in each of your content pieces that are going to help people along their path to losing weight. Now, along with that, in your content pieces, you're going to gently recommend a weight loss product to people throughout your content. You're not going to push it on them, but simply recommend, kind of within your article or within your video or at the end. And a certain percentage of people will absolutely take you up on your recommendation, and you'll be earning a commission every time someone takes your recommendation for a product. The key here is that you're making content that is actually helping people. And because your viewers or your readers have been getting value from your content, they're going to know you, they're going to like you, and they're going to trust you, and they're going to take your recommendation for the product that's going to help them, let's say with weight loss or whatever the problem may be. So that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. So the first thing you're going to want to do on your journey to affiliate marketing is you want to pick a niche, right? You want to pick a niche that you are interested in, that you're passionate about, and that you'll want to become an expert in, whether that's weight loss or health and fitness or personal development or the make money online space, or even pets and animals. That's a huge growing niche as well. Next, you're going to want to pick a product that is within that niche, right? So you want to pick a product that is super high quality, a product that once you've read the reviews, you've looked it up, maybe even used it yourself, a product that will solve the need of people in your niche. I also recommend that it be a high ticket product, right? You don't want to be selling a bunch of products that are, $10 to $20 each, because you're going to have to sell so many of them to actually make a profit and make a six-figure income. I recommend high ticket offers that you can earn 500 or 1,000 or more commission on for each sale. That way you could do low volume and still make a great income. You could find affiliate products on affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, ShareASale, JVZoo, and you just Google and you'll find a bunch of them out there. But some of the best affiliate programs are not on these marketplaces. You kind of got to go out and find them yourselves. The one that I recommend, which I mentioned in the beginning of the video, is a program that really fits the high quality, high ticket, excellent product that really helps people make money online. Again, I've got a link below this video in the description if you kind of want to just check it out and see what it looks like. I also recommend digital products because digital products are delivered electronically, so there's no inventory that you have to worry about. There's no returns or damaged goods that you have to be concerned about. Digital products are, super high profit as well because, once they're created, there's no other expense that goes into delivering them and, making them available to people. Next, you're going to want to pick a social media platform to promote your affiliate product on. You want to pick a social media platform that you're comfortable with, that, maybe you feel like your type of audience, your type of followers would hang out on. And I'd really recommend just picking one social media platform to focus on, because if you try to spread yourself across all social media, you're just going to get too spread out and you're bound to fail because that's just too much to learn all at once. Now, once you pick the social media platform that you want to promote your products on, you want to start creating content around your niche, right? And you want to do so using low competition keywords. What I mean is that, a lot of the big entrepreneurs and the big companies, they've already kind of locked up the really big juicy keywords that everybody searches for, that get millions of searches every month. But you're new at this, right? You're a new affiliate marketer in this side hustle. So you want to find success as soon as possible, and you don't want to fight against all the big competitors out there. So what you do is you go to something like a Google Keyword Planner, just search for that in Google Keyword Planner, and you want to search in there a keyword related to your niche, right? And it's going to show you hundreds and hundreds of keywords. Now within Google Keyword Planner, you find the column that says competition, and you sort that column so it's low to high. Now, you want to pick only the low competition keywords and make content about each one of those keywords, because no one is really making content about those keywords. So very low competition. So your chances of showing up in the algorithms for Google, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are going to be way higher because you're targeting these keywords that nobody else is targeting. So you want to create content about each one of these keywords. And what I mean is, just if it's a blog article, you just teach one or two simple things that are related to the keyword. If it's a YouTube video, again, just pick one or two simple things that you could teach about this keyword and make a 3-minute video. If it's, a TikTok, you might want to make a series of 4 or 5 short videos where you teach one little aspect about this keyword in each of those videos. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a legitimate business that, if done right, if followed through these steps, it will absolutely start generating a 6-figure income for you. But the key here is that you need to be consistent, and you need to give it enough time for the algorithms on YouTube, Google, TikTok, and Instagram, or wherever it may be, Pinterest. These algorithms actually take a little bit of time to pick up on the fact that you are a content creator, that you are making good content for their platforms. But once they pick up on that, once you started building out your content over 3 to 6 months, they will absolutely pick up on you, and that's where you will see a flood of traffic heading to your affiliate offers. So again, if you want to make a few bucks here or there, you could try drop shipping, you could do some surveys online or whatever it is, but I recommend affiliate marketing as a sustainable and reliable, legitimate business opportunity that will create income for you for years to come. And it's really not hard to do, but it does take consistency and the mindset to know that within 3 to 6 months, you will start to see success if you are putting the work into it every single day. Imagine, even if it took you 12 months to build out this affiliate marketing business using these proven traffic methods, if it took you 12 months to build a 6-figure income, but if that 6-figure income was going to be paying you for the rest of your life, it would absolutely be worth the work and the effort for those 12 months, because now you have a lifetime business that is paying you every single day. Now, if you want to get a jump start on this strategy and kind of reduce the amount of time that it takes to start generating traffic and sales and money into your bank account, I want to give you my #1 recommendation right now for affiliate marketing training and mentorship. This is the program that I've used to start generating a six-figure income online. It's going to give you the training and mentorship, kind of the step-by-step blueprint that you can follow to build the six-figure income online through affiliate marketing. It's going to help you avoid all the mistakes that newbies often make. It's going to help you kind of learn the tips and the tricks of these experienced affiliate marketing pros that are going to help you get to the six-figure income that you want to so much quicker. So I put a link in the description below this video, and you can click on that, and it's going to take you to the site where you can learn about this mentorship and training for affiliate marketing. So I hope you'll check it out. No pressure. It's totally up to you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.